Have you ever wondered if the coins jingling in your pocket could be worth a fortune? Sometimes, a simple coin can carry more value than meets the eye. Today, we'll take a deep dive into the fascinating world of the 2006 D Liberty 1 dime coin. Could you be holding a treasure worth thousands? Let's find out. First, let's explore the background of the 2006 D Liberty 1 dime coin. Struck at the Denver Mint, this coin is part of the Roosevelt dime series, which has been a cornerstone of American currency since its introduction in 1946. The design pays homage to Franklin D. Roosevelt, whose profile graces the obverse, a tribute to his legacy and leadership during challenging times. On the reverse, you'll find a simple yet powerful design of a torch flanked by an olive branch and an oak branch, symbolizing liberty, peace, and strength. This coin may seem ordinary at first glance, but certain versions of the 2006 D dime are far from it. What makes this coin special? The answer lies in its rarity and condition. While millions of dimes were produced in 2006 at the Denver Mint, collectors are always on the hunt for coins with unique characteristics. Coins in uncirculated condition, featuring no wear and tear, are particularly valuable. However, the true treasures are the coins with minting errors. Error coins are a numismatist's dream. These anomalies occur during the minting process and can range from off-center strikes to double dies, or even coins struck on the wrong metal planchets. These rare errors can elevate a dime's value exponentially. Imagine finding one of these coins in your change, a seemingly ordinary dime that's actually a hidden gem, but it's not just error coins that can command high prices. The grade of a coin is equally important. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 being a perfect, uncirculated specimen. A 2006 D Liberty 1 dime in a high grade, especially if certified by professional grading services, can fetch impressive sums. So, how do you know if your 2006 D dime is valuable? Start by examining it closely. Look for any unusual markings, double strikes, or off-center features. If your coin looks pristine, consider having it graded by a professional service. This step can significantly enhance its value and authenticity in the eyes of collectors. Now, let's talk numbers. While most 2006 D Liberty 1 dimes are worth their face value of 10 cents, exceptional examples can fetch hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And here's the kicker: one of these dimes was sold at auction for an astounding $80,000. Yes, you heard that right, $80,000 for a single coin. The world of coin collecting is full of surprises, and treasures can be found in the most unexpected places. The 2006 D Liberty 1 dime might just be the hidden fortune waiting in your pocket or coin jar. Take a closer look at your change. You never know what you might discover. Next coin, we're diving into the world of the 1983 D Liberty 1 dime, a coin that seems ordinary but has the potential to change your life. Stay with me as we uncover its fascinating story, what makes it so special, and its jaw-dropping value. The Liberty 1 dime, commonly known as the Roosevelt dime, has been a staple of American currency since 1946. This coin honors Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd President of the United States, known for his efforts to combat the Great Depression and his role in establishing the March of Dimes campaign to fight polio. On the obverse, you'll find his iconic profile, a lasting tribute to his legacy. Flip the coin over, and you'll see a striking design featuring a torch, flanked by an olive branch on one side and an oak branch on the other. These symbols represent liberty, peace, and strength, the enduring values of America. While this dime was minted in the millions, certain 1983 D specimens have achieved a legendary status among collectors. So, what makes the 1983 D Liberty 1 dime stand out? It all boils down to rarity, condition, and errors. Coins struck at the Denver Mint in 1983 are widely available, but collectors seek out examples in exceptional condition or with unique errors that occurred during the minting process. Error coins are particularly exciting. These mistakes, such as double dies, off-center strikes, or even the use of the wrong planchet, can transform a common coin into a collector's dream. For instance, a 1983 D dime with a significant error could be worth far more than its face value. Another crucial factor is the coin's condition, which is determined by its grade. Coins are evaluated on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 being flawless and uncirculated. A 1983 D Liberty 1 dime in pristine condition, free from scratches, wear, or discoloration, is highly sought after. Now, you might be wondering, how can you tell if your dime is special? Start by inspecting it closely. Use a magnifying glass to spot any unusual features, such as doubling in the letters or numbers, misaligned designs, or an unusually shiny, well-preserved surface. If you think you've got something extraordinary, consider sending it to a professional grading service. This step can confirm its authenticity and significantly increase its value. While most 1983 D Liberty 1 dimes are only worth their face value, a select few have shocked the numismatic world by commanding astronomical prices. Coins with errors or those in top-grade condition have fetched thousands at auction. But here's the moment you've been waiting for. One particular 1983 D Liberty 1 dime sold for an astonishing $130,000. Yes, $130,000 for a single dime. Imagine finding such a treasure in your pocket change or coin collection. It's stories like these that fuel the excitement of coin collecting and remind us that treasures can be hiding in plain sight. So, the next time you come across a dime from 1983 with the D mint mark, don't overlook it. Take a closer look, you might just be holding a life-changing piece of history. Who knows? Your next coin discovery could be worth a fortune. Now, we're talking about the 2001 P Liberty 1 dime, a coin that might just be worth more than you could ever imagine. Stay tuned as we explore its history, unique features, and the jaw-dropping price it can fetch. The Liberty 1 dime, often referred to as the Roosevelt dime, is a piece of American history in your pocket. First minted in 1946, this coin was created to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt, a leader who guided the nation through the Great Depression and played a crucial role in combating polio. His profile on the obverse is a tribute to his legacy of resilience and determination. On the reverse side, you'll find an elegant design featuring a torch flanked by an olive branch and an oak branch. These elements symbolize liberty, peace, and strength, values that resonate deeply with the American spirit. While millions of dimes were minted in 2001 at the Philadelphia Mint, the P mint mark distinguishes these coins and holds the key to their potential value. So, what makes the 2001 P Liberty 1 dime so special? The answer lies in rarity, condition, and unique characteristics. While most of these dimes are worth their face value, certain coins stand out due to their pristine condition or rare minting errors. Let's talk about errors first. Errors occur during the minting process and can range from subtle misalignments to dramatic mistakes like double dies, off-center strikes, or coins struck on the wrong planchet. These error coins are highly sought after by collectors and can command incredible prices at auction. Imagine a dime that was supposed to be ordinary but became extraordinary because of an accidental mistake. Condition is another critical factor in determining a coin's value. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 being a perfect, uncirculated specimen. A 2001 P Liberty 1 dime in flawless condition, with sharp details and no signs of wear, is considered a collector's dream. Now, how do you identify whether your dime is valuable? Start by closely examining it under good lighting or with a magnifying glass. Look for any signs of minting errors or unusual features. If your coin appears uncirculated or exceptionally shiny, you might be holding something special. To unlock its full potential, consider having it graded and certified by a professional service. While most 2001 P Liberty 1 dimes remain common, a few rare examples have captured the attention of collectors and auction houses. These exceptional coins, whether due to their condition or unique characteristics, can fetch staggering amounts of money. And here's the moment you've been waiting for. One extraordinary 2001 P Liberty 1 dime was sold for an astonishing $99,000. Yes, $99,000 for a single dime that you could easily overlook in your change. This remarkable story highlights the hidden value that can exist in everyday objects. It's a reminder that treasures don't always glitter, they might be quietly sitting in your pocket, waiting to be discovered. So, the next time you come across a dime with the P mint mark from 2001, don't dismiss it. Take a closer look, you might just uncover a piece of history worth a fortune. Keep searching, keep collecting, and who knows? You might be the next lucky person to stumble upon a life-changing coin. Happy hunting and good luck.